The Mod Cold Press Juicer is the jack of all trades, master of everything. Did you know that the Mod Cold Press Juicer can make sorbet? Yep, it can. All you've got to do is make a couple of small adjustments to the machine and your sorbet ready. So all you've got to do with your juice bowl, flip that over and remove the orange pulp tab. Boom, out that comes. And then you've got your sorbet filter, which comes with your kit. People often wonder what this is for. This is for making your beautiful sorbet. So that just goes in instead of the orange filter. And then your sorbet ready to go. That just goes together like normal. All right, so sorbet. You can literally make beautiful sorbet, or some people like to call it nice cream. You can make it out of anything. It's summertime, mangoes are beautiful in season. So all I've done is just remove the mangoes from the flesh, chop them up, frozen them overnight, and let it thaw out for 5 minutes. And here we go, watch this. So I'm just going to put handfuls of the mango into the Mod Cold Press Juicer and watch the magic happen. So you can see our beautiful sorbet comes out the chute. So you can literally do anything. You could do banana, watermelon, any fruits really. Great for the summertime. Great healthy alternative to ice cream or sorbet bought from the shop. Just give that a little helping hand. How cool does that look? So check out our beautiful mango sorbet using the sorbet filter on our Mod Cold Press Juicer. Have a look at this. We've got these beautiful coconut bowls that are a mod accessory as well. Let's get a nice scoop of our beautiful sorbet. Let's pile that up. Yum, yum. Let's have a little taste, shall we? Oh, that is so delicious. So delicious and creamy. Mango sorbet, easy peasy, just beautiful fresh fruit. Excuse me.